Welcome to Webgility ReCap, a series of videos aimed at getting you started using Webgility. In this video, we'll go over the process of connecting your BigCommerce Store to your Webgility desktop software. If you've already connected a store previously, you'll want to go to Integrations, Stores, and add a new store. If you're logging into the software for the first time, however, this screen should pop up automatically. The next step is to select BigCommerce from the dropdown, and then give your store a name. The name is only important if you have more than one store and want to make sure you understand which store you're looking at, but My BigCommerce Store will work for now. Once you've selected your store and name, hit Continue, and this next screen will ask you to connect to BigCommerce. This should open up your default browser and prompt you to log in to either an existing BigCommerce account or create a new one. From here, hit Login, and then enter your credentials and continue. You should get a two-step verification authentication code sent straight to your email. And then hit verify. Once you've verified, you should see the browser changes to show you are successfully connected. You can exit out of that browser window, and then in the background, you'll see that the shipping methods, product categories, tax classes, order statuses, and options have all downloaded for you. Hitting continue will take you to the next step, which is to enter all of your shipping label information. Take a second to make sure this is all input and accurate, and hitting continue will take you to the final step, which is connecting your accounting software. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.